Good afternoon, everybody. Okay, so in this short video, I'm going to tell you how you can change the secret code to unlock the safe box of your Breakout Edu. So, first of all, remember that in this bottom bar, you can see all the slides of your breakout, and what we need to do, for example, is to change the code, right? The secret code numbers. I have already sorted out the little problem we had in our last session, because there was only one little mistake in the save 5 wrong slide. There was a little problem with the interaction of this slide with another. So I'm gonna show you that the mistake was that this slide has to be interacted with this one, with save 6. Instead of being interacted with save 6, was linked to the end. So that's why even if we write the wrong secret code, we were able to unlock the safe box. So basically, sometimes it's, with just one little mistake, things can't work properly. But basically, I'm going to show you how you can change the secret code of your safe box in your escape room or breakout. First of all, I'm going to show you that, let's count. There are 13 slides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so if we have a secret code of 5 digits, of 5 numbers, we need to have 13 slides. Okay, now let's have a look at them. So the first slide, which is safe, as you can see, is the first one. Okay, is where we first type the first number. In the second one, safe one, as you can see, we have safe one right and safe one wrong. Okay, so in the safe one right, we type the second digit, the second number. Okay, while in the wrong slides there is no number. Okay, but I'm gonna show you little by little. Okay, so let's start. Okay, this is the first one. So in the first one, as you can see, there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 different area where we can create the interaction. These here are invisible, so you can't see this when you are presenting your breakout, when you are playing it. But yes, of course, you need this area. These are specific area that you can introduce, that you can insert in order to create specific interaction. So for example, when you want to change the secret code numbers, the only thing you have to do is to move to change the number. For example, if is selected number 8 and you want, for example, a different code, let's try, for example, let's change the code with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, because actually in this moment the secret code is 88766. Okay, do you remember? So for example, I'm gonna show you that it is working now properly. So if I type, as you can see, we can't see anything, I mean, because these are invisible area that we have on our screen, on our slide. So if I type 8, 7, 6, 6, and then OK, I unlock the safe box. Let's try now with different numbers. Okay, let's try, for example, with a wrong code. Okay, so let's see if it is working properly now. For example, let's try with 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There's still a mistake here. Let's check. Maybe because I have changed one but not the other. So let's see, because we have to change this interaction. So the interaction of save 5 wrong, let's see, should be yeah, there is still the mistake, sorry, in this one. So we have to change save 5 wrong. The interaction has to be with save 6 wrong. Okay, look. Okay, so this is what you have to change in your, for example, in your copy. So I'm going to show you again that is working properly now. Let's try. I refresh just in case. And now we will have a look at how this code works. Okay. So I'm going to select the slides I want to use. I will start with the first one again. And I click on the eye, that is the preview. Okay, so let's type a wrong code. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Incorrect. Okay, now it's working properly. So as you can see, the only thing you have to change is in the slide save 5 wrong, you have to connect the OK button to the save 6 wrong slide. Okay, the only thing you have to change is that kind of connection. But I'm going to show you now how we can change this code. For example, we want to change this code because the secret code was, for example, we try it again, 8, 7, 6, 6. As you can see now is working. Okay, I want to change this code. I want, for example, to use another different kind of code. Imagine that you want to use, for example, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so how we can change it? It's quite easy. What we're gonna do is to open the safe box slides. So this is the first one. I click edit, of course, and I start changing the numbers. So remember, the numbers always are in the slides that are right. Okay, so you can find the number that you have to change in the safe slide, which is the first one, and then in the right slide. So let's see, for example, this is the first digit, so let's change it. I want, for example, 1 instead of 8. Just moving this invisible area, and that's it. Then let's see, save 01, right? Okay, now I don't want 8, I want 2, because I want a new code, which is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 2. Then in the wrong slide there are no numbers, so always when you are on the save 01 or save 02 and so on, but if they are the wrong slide, you won't find any number. Okay, so you don't have to do anything here. Again, save to right, you click on that, so we change. So now we want number 3. Okay, that's it, number 3. Now let's keep on. I change only save 03, right? Okay, number 4. Okay, now I don't touch anything in the wrong, but I will change the right. So I want, now is number 5. Okay, and I think we have finished. Let's see. Yes, because here in this slide we have the connection with the last slide, that is the end, when we open the safe box. Okay, and while here, remember that here you have to check that the connection with the OK button is with the wrong slide, that is this one, that is the incorrect. Okay, now I'm going to refresh just in case, in order to get all the changes I have already done in my breakout, and I'm gonna check. In order to check, I'm going to click on the safe box again. So imagine that this is the safe box we are going to open, and I'm going to try the new code, which is 1 2 3 4 5, 5 digit. 1 2 3 4 5, and it's working. Okay, let's see if I want to, for example, let's try the previous code. Let's see if it's still working or not. The previous code was 766. And is not working anymore. Okay, so as you can see, it's not difficult to change the code. You remember that when you want to create a new breakout, you have to make a copy of your first breakout. So make a copy, and then so you can edit it and you can change the secret code numbers. So anytime you want, you can have a different secret code number for your safe box. It's not difficult, so just try, and remember that you need to practice, and it's not easy. I mean, it's not difficult to edit the Genially, because the only thing you have to do is just to click on the pencil and then you open it. Remember that you have to, when you finish, you can then share the link with your student. You need to copy the link and share it. But first you need to publish. Okay, it's all for now, and I hope that it will be helpful. Bye bye.